Government welcomes the arrest of 12 members of the South African Police Service and a company director by the Investigating Directorate Against Corruption. This arrest sends a clear and transparent and necessary message that no individual, including those entrusted with enforcing the law, is above scrutiny or beyond the reach of law enforcement. The integrity of law enforcement institutions is fundamental to public trust, and it is therefore critical that such matters are investigated thoroughly and prosecuted without fear or favor. The arrests serve as a firm reminder across the public sector that ethical leadership, transparent procurement practices, and strict compliance with policies such as the Public Finance Management Act are non-negotiable obligations. Government is committed to ensuring that law enforcement institutions are credible, professional, and beyond reproach. Strengthening oversight, enforcing consequence management, and protecting public resources remain essential to restoring and sustaining public confidence. William Baloyi, Deputy Government Spokesperson, GCIS.